E. G. Dig.
Would you like to go on a dinosaur adventure with me today?
A dinosaur adventure? Yeah!
Maybe we might find some dinosaur treasure!
Treasure! Let's go!
Yay, let's go! Dinosaur, dinosaur, where could you be? Stepping through the side gates, chopping on the trees. Dinosaur, dinosaur, what is your name? Finding out which one you are is quite a tricky game. Triceratops with 3 big holes, sharp and pointy, just like bones.
That was great fun, Kel. That Triceratops looks pretty scary, though.
Yeah, he does look a bit scary, but he's not very fierce at all.
He's a rather small Triceratops, isn't he, Kel?
That's just because he's a toy, chat. In dinosaur time, the Triceratops dinosaur was huge. It was much bigger than me.
Goodness.
Let's look around and see if we can find another dinosaur.
Okay.
Dinosaur, dinosaur, where could you be? Stomping through the side gates, chopping on the trees. Dinosaur, dinosaur, what is your name? Finding out which one you are is quite a tricky game. Stegosaurus, with plates on his back, stomping along on the dinosaur track.
Did you say that Thingosaurus had plates on his back, Kel?
Yeah, it's a Stegosaurus, and these are the plates here. But they're not like dinner plates.
That's good. I wouldn't really want to eat my dinner from a dinosaur's back. Yuck!
Should we look around the park and see if we can find another dinosaur, chats?
Let's have a look.
Okay. Dinosaur, dinosaur, where could you be? Stomping through the side gates, jumping on the trees. Dinosaur, dinosaur, what is your name? Finding out which one you are is quite a tricky game. Tyrannosaurus, with big sharp teeth, scaly skin on top and underneath. Now, the Tyrannosaurus dinosaur was a scary dinosaur. Terrible Tyrannosaurus!
Oh, glad there's no dinosaurs anymore, especially Tyrannosaurus.
Yeah. Well, there's the Tyrannosaurus, the Stegosaurus, and the Triceratops. They're great names, aren't they?
Great big names. Tyrannosaurus, Stegosaurus, Triceratops. Look, Cal, down there.
Dinosaur treasure!
It looks like a big dinosaur egg.
I think a baby dinosaur might be hatching out of that egg. Oh, look at that baby dinosaur!
I know the name of that one. It's a Nathanatops.
Nathanatops?
It's the biggest baby I've ever seen.
Mama? Mama? Mama?